Alright, guys. So we're trying a drink called Flying Monkeys, an alcohol drink. So we're doing like a taste test here. So I just grab a random one. We'll taste it. So we'll start off with.
Oh, I thought they were gonna be like the Red Bull.
So we're going to start off with this one.
Hey, do you want me to eat it?
I got it. We're going to start off with this one. This one's called Yummo.
Yeah.
Remo Strawberry.
No, it says strong beer. The flavor is on top.
Oh, punch. So it's basically punch. So let's try this one. Ooh.
Can I smell?
Yeah, smell that. I know.
I don't drink alcohol that often, but
So that was it was interesting. It was very interesting. How would you taste that? How did that one taste? Yeah, punch. So that was punch.
all it just tastes like is carbonated piss.
So then we're doing this one. This is called.
Not to be rude, but that's just my opinion since I don't drink alcohol that often.
This is called breakfast punch.
It's good. I like it.
This is called breakfast
a little
punch.
too much for me. That was from the Coke, not from the beer.
Oh, that's from the alcohol. This is called breakfast punch.
No, I mean the book.
You want to try it? I'll let her try it first.
This one is breakfast. Woo.
No, thanks. No, man, I wanted. Oh, fucking hell. That's actually. I don't know. That's very, very different from those two.
Very, very different. That one will be high density hop charge.
What the fuck? Alright, guys, so we're trying this one. I'll tell you what the can looks like. It's pretty cool.
Meat mop. I can speak for gibberish. Him, it sounds more manly.
I don't like the smell.
Manly and masculine. Why do you always take big gulps of it then?
Oh, that one was.
Oh, it almost smells like Red Bull.
Yeah, try it.
Oh, my skin just crawled.
So that was that one. So the last one we have, guys, it's marshmallow.
Squishy.
Marshmallow squishy. Oh, it's four. Oh, I'm dumb. So all these cans are. So these cans are ratio. That's 6.3 liter, 6.3% alcohol.
Oh.
6.1.
I can still feel the
6.7.
I can still feel the third one.
This one doesn't have a smell. This one doesn't smell. Let's hope it tastes like marshmallow.
Carbonation went up my nose.
Oh no. No, no,
Cheers.
no, nope. 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 Like, it makes you want to vomit, man. It's like, it makes you want to vomit. Like, as soon as you took a sip of it, you're like, bro, you want to vomit. So that was our taste test of these flying monkeys. These are all the flavors.
Which also looks like fireworks.
Yeah, that too. Oh, fuck. No, I'm sorry, man, but I gotta wash that down with the Coke. That was brutal.
How I would rate it from 10? 4 out of 10. I would rate it as a 4 out of 10.
Bro, you're giving it so much. I'm doing it like a 3 out of 10 because, like, I drink, but, like, holy shit. That,
all 4 of them out together, I would rate it as a 4 out of 10.
like, that is, like, fucking strong, man. Like, that is strong. That's strong. That's not okay. That's not okay. Like,
Now I can feel it marinating in my stomach.
alright, guys, so that was our taste test. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You saw some sour faces of ours. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like it, give us a like. A like wherever you guys are watching this. If you're watching it on YouTube, you give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you're watching this on TikTok, like the video and comment, man, what you want us to do next. Like, probably won't do alcohol, but we'll probably do, like,
Mukbangs.
different, like, pop drinks and stuff like that from, like, different cities.
Recommend us anything.
Yeah, guys. Alright, guys.